Hey everyone, I wanted to start off by showing you these dry paintings. So this is the airbrush technique and it is so awesome. I'm so happy with it. And then this one, I told you the cells would grow and they did. And I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So two awesome paintings. I'm very happy because it doesn't always turn out that way. And today I'm going to do another airbrush technique, but using blues instead of the reds. So let me put my gloves on. And I had not poured my white paint yet, so I'm going to do that now. This is Dutch Boy mixed with Floetrol and water. And some people are having with my plastic wrap technique, they're having trouble, they're not getting the cells I get. And if you're, I think that my Floetrol has something to do with it. So if you're using a different pouring medium, I don't use a pouring medium, so I can't answer to that. So if you're reading comments and you happen to use that same pouring medium that someone's asking about, I'd love it if you jumped in. Because I don't generally like pouring mediums. I use the Liquitex. I do use iridescent medium, but it's already in paint that has Floetrol and water. I just use it to get the iridescence. So a little bit different. So anywho, let me make sure all my sides are covered. Then I'm going to make sure I'm still in frame because, yes I am, because I noticed on one of my videos, part of it was off camera, which I apologize for. Just put the lid back on my white paint so I don't forget. Alright, so my first color is Arteza Violet. And then we're going to do Payne's Gray. And next we're going to do Grumbacher Prussian Blue. And lastly, Arteza Pearl Sapphire Blue, which will add a little bit of lightness to these dark colors. My airbrush. it's so pretty. I think I want this off the edge over here. Touch up that area. Make sure it's how I like it. I like the squiggle. Bring you closer. So there it is as a whole. It's got some great cells going on. Kind of a foggy look, which I love. There's that squiggle of violet. It looked, no, I'm not sure what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Bye.